Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you one of the most useful features inside Unblit, which is Excel export. This feature lets you download your applicant data into an Excel file so you can share it with your team, check it offline, and also even use it for your own reports. And just a note, the Excel file will include only the applicant's name, email address, and mobile number. So there are three ways you can export your data depending on what exactly you need. Let's go through each one. So the first option is export all applicants only. So the first method, the fastest one, log into your Unblit account, then go to your job board. Here the job board from the dashboard. Here you will see all your jobs, the active ones, drafted ones, and deactivated ones as well. So scroll and find the job whose data you want to export. So first I will just export the quality assurance intern, this job form candidates details. So just here right next to the job you will see Excel export icon. Here this one. Export data to Excel, this icon. Just click on it. So that's it. The Excel file will automatically download to your computer's default download folder, and you can access through it. And now let's look at the second method, exporting more specific data. So let's go into the job board, open the job form you want to download the details from, and the inside here click this. I'll just click the quality assurance intern. Inside the job form, look at the top right corner, you will see Excel export icon again. So here, this one. So here you can export all applicants' details. This will download every single applicant for that job, for this job. So there is another option in this. Better fit applicants. If you want only the better matching candidates, first enable the better fit applicants switch, this button. Once you turn it on, you will have the better fit applicants here, and also you can export only those filtered applicants. So after you enable this, click the export icon again, and it will automatically download only the better fit applicants data. And also there is another option here, the AI prompt export. So this is helpful if you want to filter applicants using an AI prompt. Just so I will for the example, I will click this fresh graduate with internship. Just type what you're looking for and export only the relevant candidates. So it's still searching for it. So yeah, I got total 8 applicants for this AI prompt, and yeah, I can download only these applicants clicking by this. And finally, the third method is exporting your shortlisted candidates only. So I will show you how to do that. Again, log into your job board and open the job form you want. Now here click on the view shortlist button at the top right corner, this one. Inside the shortlist page, you will see the Excel export icon again. Here this one.